Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking with you about M&T Bank, and more specifically I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can order checks for your M&T Bank account. So first, just a little background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of an understanding of what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them for your M&T bank account. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your M&T bank account number and routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the M&T Bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the M&T website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, simply mtb.com. You can also check the description for the link to M&T Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log on to your M&T bank account online. To do this, look for the login button, which is located at the top right of the screen, and click login. That's going to bring this little drop down where you can enter your user ID and your password. Now, if you don't have a user ID and password, there is a link under the login bar that says enroll now. If you click on that and follow the instructions on the screen, you can complete the enrollment process and get your user ID and password. Once you're in, you're going to go to banking options and order online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for M&T Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your M&T Bank debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find the phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the M&T Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little tricky to find and not so straightforward. So if you happen to know of another way to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way that you can order checks is going to be by going to google.com and doing a search for order replacement checks for M&T Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I have typed into the search bar order replacement checks for M&T Bank. As you can see, what this does is brings up several third-party vendor websites where you can order checks from. So you've got Checks Unlimited, Walmart checks, Bradford Exchange checks, pretty popular websites that you can order your checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will often vary when ordering checks through a third-party vendor. But if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please let me know in the comments. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact M&T bank account and routing number. Unlike when you order from the M&T Bank website or through their customer service, those numbers will not be automatically loaded, and you'll have to provide them yourself. And you'll want to make sure that you provide them 100% accurately, so that way you don't have to worry about bounced checks and things like that due to an incorrect number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on M&T Bank.